gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
What is up, everyone? We are finally back with another video. It's been a really long time. It's 7-8 months, and it's about that time. And as you can see, I lost a lot of weight.
That's right.
55 pounds to be exact, lighter. So it's good to be back. I have a congested nose here. I did a lot of traveling, so, and I think I might have gotten sick from somebody in the bus or somewhere, I don't know where. But,
The aircon, too much of aircon.
yeah, too much aircon. So we are rebranding the channel. It is no longer going to be named Johnny Kalbo, because originally this channel was pranks. It was a prank channel. And my thing was, before I moved over here, was I want to bring laughter to people. I want to make people laugh. So we tried it, and unfortunately it didn't work out. Some of the videos I was in my underwear in public. Remember those?
And I was pregnant.
And she was pregnant, and she would record me hidden in the little corner. So the channel name, the new channel name is going to be the Fuentes family. So that's what it's going to be called, okay? No more Johnny Kalbo. A lot of times, my wife is going to be doing the videos on her own because she's really good at what she does. She knows her culture. She's really smart. And she has a beautiful personality. So if you guys don't see me on the video, don't worry, it's still the Fuentes family channel, but my wife Lori is going to be taking over the channel at times. Sometimes you'll see me making a video on my own and stuff like that. So just stay tuned, everyone, and you know, just it's going to be a lot of good stuff coming at you. So
yep, especially now we have so much plans, right, Masman?
Yes, we do. Speaking about plans, we are looking to buy land. So we already have where we live at now, but it is so small. How many square meters is our property here, babe?
120 something square meter.
Yeah, 120 something square meters, and with 2 bedrooms, has the CR, the bathroom, the kitchen. And we can live comfortably here without a problem. But it's just, I'm looking at the future, you know, my wife.
Our family is getting bigger.
She's already asking for baby number 2. And I'm like, wow, our baby's already over here running like she's like a crazy person, always running around the house. I'm like, just imagine 2 of those little creatures. You know, I mean, you know.
Amara is like equivalent of 2 kids, right, Masman?
Yes.
Very naughty.
So yeah, we're looking to buy a nice, I would say 500 square meters of land, and we're gonna build our dream house there. How many bedrooms, babe?
We're planning of 5 or 4 bedrooms because we will be having offices, right, Masman?
Yeah, we want to have at least 2 offices because my wife is an online teacher. She teaches Chinese children English. So, and then of course our office, so when we're gonna vlog, you won't see this kind of background here. We're gonna have a nice cleaner, you know, office or studio, I should say.
And also about the businesses, foreigners that are moving here, right, Masman?
Yes, foreigners that are moving here. Also, we're gonna have a business. Not only we're looking for land for our dream house, we're also looking for another piece of land to build row houses, and also business in the center of the row houses. So we're gonna have steady income coming in every month. For me, my opinion, that is the best way for foreigners to make money in the Philippines, and that is real estate. So if you're looking to buy a condo and you're a foreigner, that's a really great investment because you're not owning the land, you're just owning the condo unit. So you can rent that out. You could be abroad, still making that money, and making that money over here while people are renting out your condo from like an app like Airbnb.
Amara is big for those who, you know, curious about.
Oh yeah, so our baby girl is a year and 4 months?
August, September, October, November, December, yeah.
4 months. So our baby girl is a year and 4 months. She's very beautiful. She loves Dada and Mama. And she'll be in the future videos. But like I said, our next probably 30 videos are going to be informational videos. You know, they're going to give you information about buying land, getting your 13A visa, traveling to back and forth from US to the Philippines, what documents, requirements you need. What else, babe?
Building a house, getting a business. If you are a foreigner married to a Filipina, yeah, we're gonna be doing that. You're gonna be, you know, you'll be audio educated, something about like that.
Yeah. So we're gonna try to offer the 3 things in the video for you guys, okay? Because it's tough. YouTube is a tough platform to get subscribers. So what we have to do is we have to give you guys what you want, not what we want. You know what I'm trying to say? So what we're gonna offer is information, entertainment, a little bit of comedy, but I'm not gonna walk around in my underwear anymore, okay? I mean, nobody wants to see that. Who wants to see that? Do you want to see me walking around in my underwear?
No.
Okay.
Amara's gonna be like this. Dada!
But yes, guys, stick around and stay tuned because we have a lot of great content in the near future. Everyone, stay safe. We hope everyone's gonna have a beautiful holiday. And we're actually gonna have a Christmas video coming up in next week, so stay tuned for that. We have a lot of great stuff coming up for you guys, so stay tuned. Thank you guys for joining us here today. Everyone stay safe, and we're gonna catch you guys in the next video. All right, peace.